Hiya, Ben here for Maths Centre for Excellence at City College Plymouth for a different episode of Is It Maths or Is It Magic? I'm joined by Gareth. He's a Learning Technologies Manager at City College Plymouth, and he's going to help me with this trick. So what we've got is 5 cards, 2 different suits, ace through to 5. And what we're going to do is try and end up with a pair through the power of maths. So we're going to put this lot on top of this lot. And I'm going to do a couple of cuts just to mix them up a little bit. I'm going to do a little funky split, say stop, stop, and I'll go on the bottom. I'm going to deal 5 down. So we've now got 2 piles of 5. What we're going to do now is some swaps. So a swap is top card goes onto the bottom. For this round, you've got 4 swaps. So you can divvy them up, 1 on this side, 3 on this side, or 4 and none, or 2 on each side, whatever you like.
4 on just this side.
Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Take the top 2 off. Now you've got 3 swaps.
2 on there, 1 on there.
Okay. So 1, 2, and 1. 2 swaps.
1 on each.
Okay. 1 and 1. And 1 swap.
1 on each.
You just get 1 swap.
1 swap, sorry, 1 on this one, sorry.
Right, so then these 2 come off, and then hopefully, if maths has worked, this should be a pair.
Ooh.
But that's not it. We've got a pair here, a pair here, a pair here,
wow,
and a
fantastic.
pair here. So, spoiler alert, that one's definitely maths, not magic. And next week, we'll explain how it all works. See you in the next one.